Hey, this is Lab Trading. This channel is going to be based on my trading journal. I'm just going to record all my trades taken. It is currently 9:32 a.m. We trade in New York session, and right now market just opens. We are going to just watch how the market moves right now. I was trying to see where market was ended at and trying for my bias. This is my third ever trading session, and I trade demo. Goal is to become profitable for 3 months straight as a demo trader, and after that we'll move into a live trading account and try and become profitable for 3 months consecutively before attempting to become a funded trader. Right now, market opens way up here, which was a little shocking for me. I didn't expect that, but right now we're seeing how this candle moves. I like to put my trades uh, in 15-minute time, but I do move into a higher time frame just to look where the chart is. Right now we have a bearish candle. But yeah, it's gonna be my entire uh, my entire trading uh, day is gonna be on this video. Is gonna be it's gonna be boring. This is not supposed to be a fun video to look at. So if you're looking for just entertainment, I'd click off this video because one, this is solely for me. I'm not posting this for other people to retain information from, because this is just for me to look back at. Again, like I said, this is my third ever trade, so I I am a complete and utter beginner. I know the minimum basics. I'm still learning what a fair value gap is. I'm doing the TJR boot camp right now. I'm still missing the third video. He has 3 videos on fair value gaps. I've watched the first 2. I know a little bit about it, like how it's supposed to look like. I just don't know how to implement it into the trading strategy. Right now, from the strategy that he's taught from where I am in the course, is break of structure and liquidity. I'm not gonna try to implement fair value gaps, but if I think something looks like a fair value gap, like to me right here, maybe this looks like a fair value gap, but again, I'm not too confident in it. Right here. Um, so I mean, I do see price touching this if I'm correct, but I'm not sure. What I do know for a fact is that we do have a break of structure here, and I do think market wants to go up, but right now we have a bearish candle up here, so I'm not sure at all, man. I'm just gonna wait it out. A lot of 90%, if not 95% of trading is literally just sitting still, hands off the keyboard, and just watching the market move. And what's helping me also keep my hands off my keyboard and mouse is that my AC is right next to me, so like just having my hands on the mouse is like it makes my hands so cold that I don't even want to touch it. Like take my hands out of my hoodie. Uh, I trade right now. The only thing I'm trading is index funds. I'm trading S&P 500 right now. That's the only instrument that I've been focusing on, just because I'd rather just focus on one instrument and learn and getting familiar with how the market moves there. Something I'm implement today for the first time is low neurogum. This one's for memory and focus. I just I like how it's been affecting me. I've never done a trade while using it before, so let's see how it goes. Can you guys hear me chew? If you if you guys are able to hear me chew, I apologize for the noise. The little ASMR video. I don't think this fair value gap thing here that I put has anything to do with this candle, just because price already did touch this, but maybe we have a retouch. Let's see. This candle should close in 4 minutes. Candle closed bearish. I mean, yeah, bearish. The candle here closed bearish. Let's see where this next candle's gonna close at. I don't know there's high impact news today, so that's why I'm looking it up. I don't even know how to know there's high impact news or not. But I mean, like I said, trial and error. We're just seeing how basically we're doing a solo, so we learn. Oh, I see market dropping down. Little like I see this market dropping down to this low here because we're way too high up here. And if anything, and if this serves me right, yeah, we might look like a we might be looking at something like this. Market is gonna drop low. That's where we buy, and then it's gonna rally up. I've seen some videos of TJR talking about London, London fake out. That's what he calls it. But I'm trying to see what time London session opens, and it's saying that it opens before New York time. Yeah, it says it opens at 8. That's GMT. It says it opens at 3 a.m. That makes no sense. This is the first time. This is the first time I've ever used these things. I don't even know what you call them. I think on here it's something like parallel channel. First time ever even like putting it on the screen, but that's what I do whenever I do trades. Like since I'm just starting out, I like to just like experiment with these things, see if they help or not. Uh, it just really depends on what the outcome of using that is. I use it with the purpose of just trial and error. After all, I'm in a demo account, and if it works and I have consistent uh, positive results with it, then I know it's worth it. But we'll see for now. Yeah, there's still like 9 minutes left on this candle. Judging from what I know, right now a lot of people, obviously this is just an assumption, but since a lot of people bought here and here, a lot of people bought here. Once market opened up here today, a lot of people are just trying to sell and liquidate their positions. That's why we're seeing constant bearish candles. Right now I'm just waiting on I want to see a liquidity sweep. Once I see that, I'll have confirmation. If I see a liquidity sweep and then a breakout structure on the uptrend, then I'll have confirmation to buy. At least based off of like what I based off of what I've been learning, that's how I'm going to implement like how my mentality is going to be going into this trade. Whether I'm positive that's how the strategy works or not, that's yet to be determined, but that's what I that's what I'm going with. We'll see how it goes. At the end of the day, this is just the more trades I take and the more times I do trades, uh, and whatever strategy, like as I use the strategy and the way I use the strategy, I'll what as like as more positive results. It's all input and output. The more input I put, the as I put the input, in this case being the strategy and how I use the strategy, as a result of the output, whether it's positive or negative, I'll have I'll have confirmation at the end. Almost like a like if I'm trading with the strategy. Well, I am trading with the strategy, but I'm using the strategy in like the analogy in a trading standpoint. You don't hate it or love it, you just use it, and if it works, and you go with it. And if it a lot of outputs are negative, then you know that there's either I'm doing something wrong, or the strategy is not the best. At least in the sense that I'm using it. I just confused me and you guys just as I just mentioned that, but if you get it, you get it. I've been thinking I could I could do a sell position here because I know for sure the price is gonna keep going down. But since market just opens like an hour ago, I don't wanna I don't wanna seem too like impatient as if I'm rushing into the market. So right now I'm contemplating whether I should or I shouldn't, or when am I being too patient and when am I not, like when am I being impatient? I don't know. You know what? I can't live in regret, man. I'm take take a sell position here. Wait a second. Yeah. I don't know. I see market trying to touch this. I don't know why. I just feelings out of this. If I don't know why, then I probably shouldn't be taking the trade. But there's strong resistance here. Man, fuck it. Took a sell there. I I don't I don't know how to do stop losses and stuff like that. But I'm gonna take a loss here. Take profit. I'll put it here. Hmm. Wait a second. Market just took prior lower low, lowest low. No, this is lower low, lowest low. I think it's good. It's I want to put it here right now. All right. Let's see. Also, I had gone up my first two trades. I raised my account. I set it at 100. I raised it to, sorry. I raised it to 108, $8 profit. Second trade, I I gained. I'm sorry. First one I got it up to my first ever trade. I got $5, made it one to 105. Second trade, I got it up to 108. Got too greedy, double traded same day. Once it was at 108, and I lost those $8, man. Excuse me. It's a it's a 2 to 2. I don't like these. I don't like this number. I don't like this P&L, but let's see where Marco wants to go. I start recording. I am. Ooh, we just barely hit take profit. It wanted to hit, man. It wanted to hit. Let's see, we still got 2 minutes. Didn't we hit take profit? Why are we still in the trade? What? That makes no sense. Well, we we closed out of that trade. I I didn't know. I don't know how to make it so like so that it closes out. Like look, like it says draft. I don't know what that means. So like whenever I do trade, I've been just like manually closing out. But hey, I mean we're up $3 and some change. I call that I call that a win. I'm not gonna lie. That's that's a dub. That's a dub in the books. Cause hey, bro, $3 out of 100. That's 3%. And we risk our risk management is 1 to 3% a trade. That's good. That's actually really good. Let's see where market's at right now. It's still going down. I could have actually held it and like gone. I don't know, man. I don't want to get too greedy. I'm gonna just take the $3 and and call it, but because we took out this low, right? And since we took out this low, I'm in my head I'm seeing a rally, but there's a lot of people want to buy right now. They see this downtrend, they're like, oh, good chance to buy, and once it starts buying, that's when the market's gonna start fluctuating. It's gonna go up, possibly consolidation once it's up there. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Cause on the trip on here, it's still showing. They're still on a downtrend. If anything, I think I sold too quickly. I I got scared when I saw that green candle, man. I gotta learn how to get my feelings out of this. It's too late to go short, but I do see a possibility to go to buy in right here. We also had a breakup structure here. So oh, I didn't even notice this. Look at this. Low, high, lower, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher high, low, new low, low. He just keeps going down, 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 lower low, and we're still on a low. Yeah, this right here is a breakup structure. I'm telling you, man. I don't know if I placed that fair value gap correct or not, but I don't know. Something's telling me that. Maybe that's a good indicator. Or confirmation. Man, we could have taken so much more profit. But that's not in our risk management. It's not in the plan. We made what we came here to get. I don't know why I'm still looking at the charts. I guess the more I keep looking at the charts, the worse I'm gonna feel for not. Ah. Ooh. Hold up. Huh? We're waiting for a buy position to see if we can even do one today. That's what we're waiting on right now. Cause if I see a confirmation of chart going up, and then I see a breakup structure on the uptrend, I'll have confirmation to buy. Once price gets around this, closer to this low, I'll opt in around this range right here. If it gets there. Yeah, we're starting to see price go up now. But wait. Oh, the candle just started, people are buying. It's fine. Let's see how this candle moves. Judging on how this candle moves, we'll be paying close attention to the next candle. Because realistically, I want to see a candle. I want to see a bullish candle break here. If it breaks here, if it breaks that, if it closes above that line, we'll be in an uptrend. Then that would confirm break of structure. Wait, I don't. No, no, I'm sorry, that's wrong. Discard what I just said, because there's still a big gap between like here and here. Like a lot of candles could form. So let's see. Because by the time I'll discard this, because by the time it gets up here, there could be a lot of newer highs. A lot of yeah, new highs and higher lows in between that. So price is still going down, surprisingly. Looks like a sweep to me. Liquidity sweep down here. Bow. Bow. Yeah. I think price wants to touch down here, to be honest with you. Just gonna keep going until it touches there. Yeah, I see. On a higher time frame, that's the... Bro, I'm so confident in this. Like, you have no idea. I'm super confident. Once it touches down here, it's gonna rally. Watch. Predictions. It's cold in my room right now. Man. There's still 8 minutes left on the candle, so let's see how it moves. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I think this is wrong. Yeah. It doesn't want to do that. It wants... You think this here? I feel like I've seen this exact same graph before. Like, the exact same. I'm not even kidding. And it played out how I'm envisioning. So, let's see. Bro, this candle's edging me so hard, bro. It wants to touch. It wants to pass this low, man. I know you want to. Just do it. It's like... Oh! Oh! Confirmation. Confirmation. Of course, a lot of people bought there, but let's see. We're gonna be patient. Because we don't know if it could keep going down or not. It could. Yeah, I see. Jeez Louise, that's a lot. It's a sweep, brother. It's a sweep. This is the sweep we were talking about. Sweep rally. Watch. Watch. I'm telling you, watch. A lot of people bought here. It's like, no, brother. No. Take your time. Watch the market. Let it play out. Patience, my friend. This candle has yet to close. It closes actually in 2, 1. Alright, candle closed here. I'm open. I think I set my take profit way too high, bro. I didn't even know. I didn't even mean to set it up there. Can I move it? What? We're going lower. What are you talking about, brother? It already filled those orders. Did it not? Whoa, whoa. Did we hit stop loss? No way. I set my stop loss way too short by accident. It was unintentional. But I should have closed my position. You know what? I didn't even check this. We're still down the 1 hour time frame. I didn't even check. That's a mistake I made. Huge mistake. Oh crap. That little candle doesn't mean crap if you look at the higher time frames. Wow, man. Wow. Let's just see how it plays out. Gonna wait it out. We are just going to wait it out. What is this? What is this, my friend? Alright, we're gonna check it. I'm gonna have to ride this wave out, man. Alright, so in the 5-minute time frame, I'm seeing a break of structure, indicating that it's gonna go up. Keep going up, actually. This candle should have closed. Oh, it closed in 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, bro. I didn't even pay attention to this. Oh my God. I set this up here and everything, and I wasn't even paying attention to it. Did I not say that? Look at that. Look at that. As soon as it hit this, boom, it started going up. Man, I should have been looking at this the entire time. So I'm looking at the. This is for Nasdaq, but hold up. Let me see. Looking at the news charts or news flow. Let's go over to. Just today. Today's been horrible. Erase gains, yeah. Oh man. I might just have to take a loss on today, man. Let's see, we can still hold it out, but it doesn't seem like it. Rise to records. Yeah, strong buys. If this one here closes over this one, we'll see a break of structure towards the uptrends. Let's see. We closed it off. We made a total of $9. I'd say that's a huge win. Not how I would have liked to have ended it. I would have liked to have ended it with like take profit and stop losses, not me manually having to do it. I would have liked to been able to read the charts more, like accurately. I did like a lot of mistakes, I feel like, in my analysis. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's a huge win. I'll take it and run. I don't even want to look at the market anymore. I'll take that. I'll take your money and run. All right. So that leaves that. Let's see what my balance is on here. 109. Perfect. And with that, I leave you guys. Uh, Again, this is my first experience in actually trading. So if you have any advice, oh, it's going even. Oh no, it's not. If you have any advice, please leave down in the comments below. Please like and share the video, or don't. I don't really care if this blows up or not. But at least leave comments down below on what you think I did wrong and what you think I need to improve on. Also, just a heads up to reinforce, the correct actions taken. Leave a comment down below as well if anything that you saw that I did right. Any help is appreciated. Thank you, and have a good one.